Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get Builder Battle trophies. To begin, trophies are earned by successfully attacking other players' builder bases. Conversely, you will lose trophies if your own base is successfully defended against. Your current trophy count places you into various leagues, which directly impact the daily star bonus rewards you receive. Aiming for higher leagues will grant you significantly more gold and elixir from these bonuses. To maximize trophy gains, your primary goal is to achieve a 6-star attack by completely destroying both stages of an opponent's base. Effective troop combinations often involve drop ships paired with minions or PvKas. Another strong choice is cannon carts supported by barbarians or baby dragons. Always utilize the 60-second preparation time to scout for traps and identify crucial defenses before deploying your army. A strong defense is vital for retaining trophies and earning builder elixir. Strategically centralize your powerful splash defenses, such as the multi-mortar and roaster, to cover a wide area. Place high hit point structures and various traps around key defenses to protect them. Utilize push traps and spring traps effectively to redirect or eliminate attacking troops, making it harder for opponents to achieve a high star count. For consistent trophy progression, always prioritize completing your daily star bonus, which requires earning between 7 and 12 stars depending on your league. Continuously upgrade your builder hall to unlock more powerful troops and defensive structures. Master 1 or 2 attack strategies rather than spreading your upgrades too thin. Remember, trophy counts exceeding 5,000 will reset to 5,000 at the end of each season.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.